Eyovosono YouTube. This is Edu Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode. This time around, it's a different packaging. Oh, well, it was my fault because I didn't finish reading the description of what I ordered. I didn't know there was no box, so I just ordered it. It was a little bit cheaper, you know. So that's it. So stay tuned. So let's open it up. Let's keep this aside. And there was no manual. You got 1, 2, 3 guards. You got a charging cable. Haha. USB Type-C. Very, very good. And a long brush. Okay, this time not little. And surprise, got a little pause, whereby you can travel with it, which is very, very good. Okay, so let's keep these aside. Now let's talk about this. This is a Buddha trimmer. I bought it from Shine store. So first of all, let's talk about the specs. It got 7,600 RPM, and 2 hours charging time, 4 hours of discharged. And it got 1,800 milliamp, which is good. It's red when you are charging it. It will be red. And green light when fully charged. You got 2 speed, but when you turn it on, the first speed is the fastest. The one I saw, because I was, playing with it a little bit. The first speed is the fastest. And you can use it corded or cordless. Okay, which is good. And so let's turn it on. One down part of it, somehow, not really down part, got 2.5 watts. I don't really understand, Okay, but it was okay till now, so let's take a look. The good thing, you can zero gap it, which is very, very good, And the blade, it cannot fit a wall T-wide blade. But the cutting blade, yes, it is the same. Here's the charging USB Type-C. So, and here you can turn it on. It's a little bit heavy. Somehow carbon metal or something like that, It feels good. But I don't know. Okay. So what else? Let's turn it on. You hear that? Got some power. And it's fast. When you press it again, then it's low. Okay. And when you are charging it, here will be red, So that's it for this trimmer.
Pourquoi non m'a fait en arrière?
Don't forget, T-wide blade cannot fit,
Et qu'il y a une côté argument.
but the cutting blade is really fit, because I was trying it. And for me, you don't need to change the blade because it's already sharp enough. And it's fast, damn fast. Okay.